Have you ever needed a barcode but didn't know how to do that? Well, you're in luck today. I'm going to show you how to create professional looking barcodes in just a few simple steps, and the best part, it's completely free using Inkscape. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a barcode using Inkscape. Whether you're designing packaging, labels, or just need a barcode for a project or otherwise, this is a quick and easy way to do it. So grab Inkscape. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official link in the description or in the comments section below. Let's get started. Now, let's create our barcode. Go to the menu bar, click on Extensions, then navigate to Render, and then Barcode/QR code, then select Classes. A dialog box will pop up. Here, next to barcode type, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. The numbers following EAN indicate the limited number of digits you can use when selecting that particular barcode type. For example, EAN 13 allows for exactly 13 digits. In contrast, code 128 can accommodate a wider range of characters, including both letters and numbers, with a capacity of characters ranging from 1 to 128. Choose the type of barcode you want to create. For example, you can select code 128. Here, next to barcode data, you can enter the numbers you want into the barcode. Enter from 1 to 128 as you wish. Click Live Preview to generate the barcode in your Inkscape document, like this. To adjust the barcode height, set it from here. Now, let's try a different barcode type, such as UPC-A. This barcode format is limited to exactly 11 digits, plus the last digit. Click Live Preview to generate the barcode in your document. This barcode type also has a different appearance compared to others. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Apply to generate the barcode and save it to your document. Now, let's try a different type of barcode, like EAN 13. This barcode format is limited to exactly 12 digits plus the last digit as well. Let's put in a wrong number and click Live Preview. This will show you the tab that tells you there's an error. Here it tells you what your wrong number is, here it tells you what it should be, and here it tells you what will be generated after you enter your numbers. Okay. Put 12 numbers here. Then click Apply to generate the barcode and save it to your document. Click Close to close this tab. You can now select and adjust the size and position of your barcode, and you can also change its color. Since the barcode is now a vector graphic, it can be resized and colored without affecting its quality, allowing you to seamlessly integrate it into your design as you wish. Remember to save or export the file in the format you want. And that's it! You successfully created a barcode in Inkscape. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and follow or subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy creating!